customizing her.
She's gonna be customizing me.
Okay,
What are we doing?
So we're gonna start off with a
butterfly.
A butterfly.
And we're gonna use a what?
Eyeshadow.
What is this?
We're gonna use eyeshadow.
And
What is it called?
a stencil.
Yeah.
Okay, Al, are you ready for this?
I'm
Yeah.
going to put a butterfly at the top of her nose.
Okay, we're gonna put a butterfly at the top of my nose. She's using a beautiful blue color.
Yeah, I'm using a beautiful blue color. Oh, it's very good on me now.
It's fantastic.
Next, I'm going to do blush.
Okay, here you go. Here's some brushes.
So now she has a tiny little blush brush. I'm gonna put some blush on me.
It's right over there.
Right to the other side.
How am I looking?
Are you gonna do some eyeshadow on her eyes?
Yes. This color.
I'm out again with the beautiful blue color.
Yeah,
To match your butterfly. Good. Go with that lighter color at the top.
Oh, I bet that's beautiful. Beautiful.
And that butterfly on your forehead. I feel like this is a new trend.
I think so.
I feel like we're on our way. I don't know if my head is even in a shot anymore.
I haven't even seen it, and I feel like there's a pack of dogs hanging out here, trotting across your driveway. They were like weenie dogs.
There's always a pack of dogs in our yard.
I'm going to.
You're not putting lip gloss on her eyes.
I'm not going to do that. This is to seal in my. Is to seal in your lips.
Mmm. It's to seal in my lips, so they don't fall off.
Yeah.
A beautiful lavender. Ooh, up on my butterfly. There you go.
Oh heavens! Oh, it's gone everywhere.
Shine the butterfly.
Shine that butterfly.
It's okay, Al. Close it, close it, close it.
It's okay.
No. This shine can actually go anywhere.
Oh, she's putting it on my knees, y'all. This shine can't go anywhere.
Alright, Beyonce, ta-da!
Oh!
No?
We're not done yet?
We're not done yet! But wait, there's more!
I need to put some eyeshadow right here.
Yay!
That's not over! Where?
It's right here. Are we doing the same butterfly?
Oh, there's different kinds.
I'm doing...
What kind of stencil do you think it would be if it would just have the same butterfly over and over? This one!
What if we
Oh,
just
okay,
want a
good.
strip of similar butterflies? So Vivian, you like doing makeup? Yes.
Have you ever made a YouTube video before?
Yeah.
Is this your first YouTube video?
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Me too.
Oh, we forgot to hit the subscribe button.
Oh, hit the subscribe.
button.
Hit the subscribe button.
Thank you.
And tell them leave a comment below.
Yeah, leave a comment below. And I love you all.
Oh, she loves you all. We all love you all. Thank you for watching our video.
3 of the viewers and subscribers are in this current frame. Stencil.
Open it.
Here we go.
Oh, take it off? Okay.
Wow. Go ahead and shine it up.
Shine it up. Okay, that's quite enough.